This is a 1966 MG 1100 four-door. Pretty rare car with the four doors for this country, the USA. This is a fresh restoration being delivered this weekend. The new owner is a retired lawyer in Florida. She had one when she was very young and wanted another one. So we've done some custom touches here. We have houndstooth door panels. We've added some nice modern seat belts to the front and to the rear. Original black with gray piping seats. Gray carpeting with gray floor mats. You'll notice the steering wheel is an Austin America steering wheel, a little bit prettier than the MG 1100. It's been modified to take the MG Mini Midget steering wheel center with horn push. Another modern upgrade is these wheels with the oval holes. They are also from Austin America, much prettier than the solid wheels of the MG 1100. These are brand new hubcaps from a factory in England that is making them on the original equipment of stamps and dies. And there she is. I hope you enjoy your new car.